Good morning, journal lovers. It's Rose from Rewritten Vintage Journals, and I forgot to film this journal, so here I am. Okay. So 6 by 8.5. And Sari silk, a vintage key. And this is fabric, soft covered spine. However, there is structure in there. One signature, how many pages? I think it's, I'm guessing at like 90 some front and back. So there's a pocket. And this is one of my favorite kits for fall. And I can't remember who makes this. I'll look it up. This is one of my favorites, and I had to do another one. This is my avocado dyed paper. It's more of a dark pinkish. Perfect spot for pictures. That's hand dyed. The season. This is one of the French cards. Piece of 1882 ledger. Postcard with a little fabric cluster and a real stamp here. Another little pocket journal card. Another envelope. One of my eco-dyed papers. That's St. John's wort. And the purple smoke bush tree leaf. And then here, these are leaves that I've collected and dried. And then just some extra writing spots. And that's a vintage envelope. This is a paper bag that I made out of an old paper bag. And just some fun stuff in there. And there's the middle of the signature with some beads. You can cut them off if you want, if you don't want them in there hanging out. Some people do, some people don't. Another little coin envelope. A lot of Tim Holtz mini paper clips, and then I always put little seed beads on them. Another little postcard. Little pocket there. And some writing space there. And another little coin envelope and postcard. And that's just another envelope. Real leaves that I've dried. tag there. And this here, little paper clip there that opens up for hidden journaling spot there. And there's a tuck in here, and then also a pocket in there. And that's a vintage envelope, and then I put the fabric cluster there and a leaf. And then there is a pocket there. So that's it for that one. This one's already listed in my Etsy shop, and I'm gonna film another one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.